Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here. I've just a brief background about me. So I did my MBA from NMIMS Mumbai, then an executive management from Harvard Business School. Post that, I worked with Henkel and Marico as their strategy and marketing head, and now it has been 9 years training and mentoring students like you for all the entrance exams, especially exams like NMAT, SNAP, and the non-CAT exams. Right? So today's video is going to be very important to help you understand one, where and how to start your NMAT preparation, and the most important thing, how will the CAT Kings NMAT course help you in achieving your dream of getting an NMAT 240 plus score. Alright, so first thing you need to do is understand the NMAT exam structure. So why you should be knowing that is because only then you know what you have to study, right? So step 1, NMAT as an exam is an adaptive exam, the only exam which is based on your own capability. Okay. Secondly, you have the liberty to choose when to schedule the exam. You select the date and the time. Third, once you start taking the exam, you get the liberty to choose the order of the sections, whether you want to start with verbal, quants, DILR, whatever it is, it's in your hand. So you decide your own strategy for the exam as well also, right? These are some of the major reasons which I think you should take into consideration to decide whether you take the NMAT exam or not. Okay. Lastly, with respect to the difficulty level, if you compare it with CAT, it's pretty much on the easier side. So it's level of difficulty 1 level preparation which you have to do. So more user friendly, I would say, as compared to the other exams, because it's adaptive, it's got an easier difficulty level. A lot of non-engineers and female candidates take the exam. I mean, if I go and see the stats of NMAT, these two are very high in numbers as compared to your CAT and ZAT. Keeping that aside, now once you have decided how to start your NMAT preparation, okay, so NMAT has got 3 sections: verbal, quants and data interpretation, logical reasoning. 36 questions in all the sections, 108 questions overall. Total time is 120 minutes. Each section, there is a different time limit. Like quants, you get 52 minutes. LR, you get 40 minutes. Verbal, you get 28 minutes. So time management is very, very essential. To learn the time management skills, you have to be very strong with your basic foundation. So first thing that you're going to do is log into your CAT King dashboard. Go to the Launchpad section. In Launchpad, we have the concept builder videos of level of difficulty 1 for each and every topic of quants, verbal and logical reasoning. Make sure you watch all of these videos. To make your life easier, the better approach would be first attend the live lecture. Monday to Friday, every day there are 2 hours of classes. Attend the class. Right after the class, watch the LOD1 videos of that particular topic. And then within the next 24 hours itself only, solve the LOD1 ebooks also of that topic. So what you're going to do is attend the live lecture, then we go to the Launchpad, pick up the concept builder videos and watch those videos. And then we come to the Launchpad in the ebook section and solve the LOD1 ebooks. This makes my basic foundation strong. Now we need to level up ourselves for the NMAT level questions and the NMAT time management structure, right? You have to train your mind to get used to the time left concept. So for doing that, you're going to do 3 things. First thing, go to the NMAT Jetpack. Watch all the videos which are made by NMAT toppers for your shortcuts and for the official guide questions, so that we are 110% sure that everything which is a part of NMAT syllabus and the difficulty level, we are prepared. And the shortcuts which will help me to save time. Okay. After watching these videos, the NMAT Maximizer ebooks, that is a compilation of 1500 must-do NMAT questions. You are going to solve all of them module-wise. But while solving, you will have your timer on. So keep a clock, put 30 minutes as the timeline and see how many questions are you able to do. You will improve your speed on a daily basis. The target speed which you have to reach, 30 seconds per verbal question, which is excluding reading comprehension. 45 seconds per LR question, excluding my puzzles and input-output sets. And 1 minute per quants question. For the sets, which is like data interpretation, reading comprehension, logical reasoning, input-output, these lengthy questions, you have 5 minutes as the time. Keep this benchmark ready, make a note of this, or rather, put this target timelines for yourself on a paper, pin it up on your table so that you can keep reading it every day. This is the goal, times wise, we have to reach. And the next goal you put is your scores. 80 marks in each and every section, 240 marks overall. To get that, you make sure you practice mock tests. Every week, take one full length mock. If you're not able to take a full length mock, make sure you split it across 3 days and take 3 sectional tests. The best part is the CAT King mocks, whether it's full length or sectional, both are based on the exact time management of your actual NMAT exam. And in both of them, we have a combination of adaptive and non-adaptive mocks. The reason is, adaptive mocks will give you questions based on your capability. But there should be some way where you realize what is your threshold. What is it that you are not able to solve? You need to learn to level yourself up, right? So those non-adaptive mocks will help you understand what is difficult for you, what you have to study, what you have to go back and get your basics done. All right. So I hope this video helps you guys to understand what are the resources available and how you're going to study. Quick summary and reminder, every day you're going to do is 2 hours of live classes, 2 hours of self-preparation, watching through videos and solving the ebooks, and make sure 1 mock per week. This is what you have to do. Once your basics are done, 30th September, we kickstart with the NMAT daily classes every day. We will solve actual NMAT questions and we will do more strategies every Saturday, 9 p.m. in the NMAT boot camps, where I will make you meet toppers who've got an NMAT 280, NMAT 256. If they can get, so can you guys get, right? So let's get on board, get started with our NMAT preparation and make sure we all pledge to get an NMAT 240 plus score in our first attempt itself. All the best, take care.